More than 3 years after Hurricane Sally damaged and partially destroyed the Gulf State Park Pier, a $13 million project is underway to finally make it whole again. As WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams reports, this is going to be long and a slow process.
It was a welcome sight when the barges and work crews showed up here earlier this week to begin repair work on Gulf State Park Pier. Now, the real work begins. The wind and water of Hurricane Sally destroyed the end of the pier in 2020. Ironically, another storm front sent work crews headed for Safe Harbor Thursday, only 2 days after they arrived to begin repairs.
We started seeing the barges arrive around Tuesday. A lot of folks were taking pictures of them coming through the pass, and there was a lot of excitement just to see actually some movement and the possibility of some work beginning to start on the pier.
There is a lot of work to do. In the 200-foot gap between the pier and the octagon, there is many as 20 massive concrete pilings.
They were able to pick up at least 4 of the pilings. Some of the others are now covered, we know, by sand. They're going to jet that sand off.
Aerial photos taken early Thursday morning show the barge and jackup rig in that gap, but the work is just beginning on this $13 million project.
We haven't literally stepped foot on that octagon, only 1 or 2 people since Sally sat down and then finally left here.
The observation deck is believed to be in good shape, but repairs above and below the Gulf waters will take time.
It's not going to be an easy job, but it is here, and we're so glad that it's being started.
A completion date on this, they're guessing at this point, possibly Labor Day of next year. But that'll be totally dependent on any weather conditions and any surprises they find during the repairs. On the Baldwin County beat in Gulf Shores, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.